Analysis of the preliminary scholastic aptitude test results can be vital information for parents. Importantly, it is not just about college-bound students. The preliminary scholastic aptitude test is given to 10th and 11th grade students. At the 11th grade, results are used to determine the winners of National Merit Scholarships. But it is a huge mistake to believe that results can only be used to evaluate the performance of just elite or college-bound students. To the contrary, there's probably no better test that gives parents a more realistic, accurate picture of the academic strengths of their child at a critical point in time. No one test gives parents all of the information needed. Test results can vary, but the PSAT is one test parents need to give careful consideration. This analytical importance of the PSAT to parents is exactly why our experts have asked us to get data on it along with other student academic performance information. Our experts have already performed extensive PSAT analysis in other school districts. They have used the PSAT results to evaluate its correlation with the state's tax test, classroom grades, and more. Have you ever worried about the impact grade inflation has on your child's future? School districts report on the average student. And when a district has so many high-performing elite students like Fort Bend ISD, the average can hide a lot of problems. If you really believe that the tax test tells you the whole truth about your child's academic skills, then you're not interested in more data. But Fort Bend ISD has not and apparently will not give you more information. ISupportFBISD.org believes parents deserve the full picture. Not every parent's child is academically elite, but every parent's child deserves the very best. And the parents deserve all of the information that is available. Because I Support FBISD is an organization that cuts across racial, political, and philosophical differences. We support public education, genuine reform. Join us. Visit our website.